Annissa here with Firehouse Education and this week's Ask Annissa video column. And this week, the question came in from someone in Ohio, and I'm not going to mention names on the video, but let me read to you what the email was. Hi, Annissa. Hey, I have a quick question for you. I am having trouble getting fire jobs, and I want to know how you feel is the best way to get new work in when it comes to seeking fire jobs. I'm responding to fires from a scanner, and I'm not signing any of the jobs. What do you think I am doing wrong? Any help you can give me is much appreciated. Well, so not to be harsh here, but to be really honest, what you're doing wrong is you're responding to a scanner. You're being a fire chaser, an ambulance chaser, and that is not okay, not in any stretch of the means. Now listen, I know there might be some people watching this video that are like, well, Annissa, I get lots of work that way, and there's nothing wrong with that, and I show up and I provide gift baskets and I do all of these things for people that are in need right then and there. But I'm here to tell you, I'm sorry, I strongly disagree with this tactic. Running on a fire scanner, again, that's the ambulance chaser, if you will, is a really terrible way to initially meet your client. It is a really awful position to be coming from, okay? Wouldn't you do much better to have a gift basket or a care basket of some kind or something put together that local fire departments give out to those clients? Or if you did show up, and I'm going to really have a huge caution here, if you did show up because you had a scanner and all you did was give something to the person involved, whether it's a care basket, a folder with different gift cards and things in it, and did zero marketing, zero asking for the job, then maybe that would be slightly okay. But wouldn't it be better to come from the position of a referral? Wouldn't it come better if you spent your time creating relationships with fire departments or with local agents or local facilities that helped families once they had a fire? To just show up to somebody's tragedy that you heard about on a police scanner is just really not a good way to go. There are so many more productive things that you can do that will set you up for success, that will set you up in the right position so that when you show up to help these families or you are called upon, you're already viewed as the expert, as the person that they want to have helping them, and not coming from, well, let's face it, kind of desperate measures, right? That's sort of how we view, and most people view, this ambulance chaser kind of mentality. So the first thing I would tell you is stop doing that, okay? Go and connect with your community in a way that you can position yourself as someone who can be there to help them in time of need. Go find some local groups that help out families when they have this kind of situation occur. Go, connect with agents. Agents are wonderful sources that a lot of people miss when they're wanting to get referrals for fire damage and fire jobs that come in. So go connect with them. Give them care packets to give out to their clients when they find out that they've had a fire in their home. Give out free education, pamphlets, booklets, resources for people to turn to when they've had something go wrong in this kind of scenario and had a fire in their home, okay? Please don't come from the disadvantage of being only out there for the insurance check and for the money and chasing that ambulance. Because I promise you, in the long run, it might get you some jobs, but it is not going to build you a solid, good reputation and create a referral network for you in your business to where you can pretty much make your competition in your area irrelevant. Okay, awesome. All right, well, again, thanks for the question. Be sure to go over to rnrmegonline.com and subscribe to the e-newsletter so that you get this and lots of other goodies in your email inbox. And be a cool kid, subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you get notified when any new videos come out. And I thank you so much for watching and spending time with me. Send your questions to Annissa at firehouseeducation.com. And I just might feature you on next week's Ask Annissa video call.